Do you want change email address in your account Temu? Okay, pues we are going to Temu in the telephone mobile, okay? In the home, okay. Pues click in the button U, go to U, and here in the here options, in the scrolling down in the settings, go to settings, and here options in account security, go to account security, and in the section email, and click to button orange in edit, go to edit, and here enter your email address, okay. Go to enter and click to button continue, okay, and select your address, and pues that's it, okay, and subscribe. Bye bye.